natin yung chapter 4 ng qualitative research, particularly phenomenology. Ang focus natin ngayon is structure of chapter 4, results and discussion. After the researchers set aside all the personal preconceived experiences, the bracketing stage po yun. Kung hindi naman importante doon sa study natin, yung mga sinabi ng mga participants, pwede naman natin i-set aside yun. Horizontalization was done by highlighting naman yung mga significant statement na makakatulong dun sa study natin. This chapter presents how the researchers completed the process of bracketing, horizontalization, theme clustering, textual, and structural description, writing the overall essence. Na-discuss ko po yun sa chapter 3, yung textural, yung mga verbatim na sinabi nila, structural naman, yung mga how question, na more on the ideas, thoughts, na kahit hindi nakasula, rewritten, o sinabi nila verbally, mararamdaman yon ng tao at ng researchers. And verification of the lived experience of the participants in selling.